Listen to me now, believe me later on in the future. Look it up, where it said in the Constitution that in the event of a war, places like Operation Heartbreak Hotel, moments tell until that tight vent seal off despair. Them say expect no mercy. Fool, you should be my least worries. Gotta deal with W-2-10-99s on marked black helicopters swoop down and try to put missiles in mines. Who's that peeking in my window? Pow, nobody now. Who's that peeking in my window? Pow, nobody now.
Me and my family moved in our apartment complex. A gate with the serial code was put up next. They claim that this community is so drug free, but it don't look that way to me, cause I can see the young bloods hanging out at the store.